Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna prepare a pasta carbonara today, and please do hit the subscribe button below and also comment what you would like to learn in the future. I'm gonna prepare this meal in my room, so there's not much equipment and also not many ingredients used in this video. Know that normally I do not follow a recipe, so I will just leave a guideline recipe down at the comments below. And yeah, please do comment and let's get started. One more thing, just before we start, we're gonna use some smoked bacon, an egg, boiled pasta, Parmesan cheese, and the water that we boiled the pasta. So important, do not throw the water that we boiled the pasta in. And actually in the original recipe, Italians, they use cured pork cheeks, but it's difficult to find it here, so I'm going to use some smoked bacon. Enjoy. that's the end of the video. I'm sure I added a few more ingredients which is not correct. I added garlic, and I couldn't find Italian basil, so I added Thai basil. But anyway, the final product is delicious. Enjoy. Love it.